Hello everyone, dear students of class 5th. Today we are going to do the revision, and revision we will do in the form of cyber quiz. So for that you can open your page number 94, and here we are having MCQs. So let's start. Then what is the shortcut key for converting selected text to all caps in MS Word? So the correct answer is Control plus Shift plus A, B part. Okay. Then see second one, dash is the first page of website, home page, very simple, every time, each and every time I am telling you this question. Then third one, which is the appropriate command to find the number of lines, words or characters in MS Word. So first of all we have to go on the table and then word count. Understood? So A1. Fourth one, in MS Word, Control plus P key combination is used to open print dialog box. A. It's A. Then see fifth one, LCD stands for, you know very well, liquid crystal display. Okay. C. Sixth one, in CD-ROM, CD stands for compact disc. 17. Multimedia contents consist of first voice, second picture and third text. So in this question options are given that which one is correct. So all 1, 2 and 3. These features are present in the multimedia. Okay. So B part is correct. B option is correct. Eighth one, dash is a search engine, www.google.com. Email stands for, this you have to tell me in the comment box. In the last, at the end of the video, I will tell you this answer, and I know very well that 100% of the students know these answers. Okay, email stands for what? You have to tell me in the comment box, and I want to see that who is the first one to comment me the answer. Okay, then see, come on towards our 95 page number and question number 10. The process of loading operating system files from hard disk into the main memory is called booting. Okay, don't get confused in installation and booting. Okay, then 11th, Internet Explorer is a popular web browser. C. Then 12th, which input device acts like a photocopy machine? It's a scanner. C. A computer has no use if it does not possess an operating system. A. 14. The full form of video is Visual Display Unit. A. Then 15. Which action among the following cannot be done by computers? Walk. Walking, computer cannot walk. Okay. It can paint pictures, it can play games, but it can't walk. Then 16. Windows 95 by 98 is an operating system. Then 17. Which command is used to bring the title back in logo? That is BK. Back. B. B option is correct. Then 18. The basic rules of how the computer should work are found in the operating system. Then C. 19. Which option is used to show the drawing in a small reference window in MS Paint? That is show thumbnail. A. 20. MS Paint is a application software. B option. Then C. Turn the page on page number 96 and our question number 21. 21st, a document always opens in some file. Then 22, Airtel, BSNL and Reliance are examples of internet service provider. C. Which is the shortcut key for redo command in MS Word? For redo, Control plus Y, as well as for undo, Control plus Z. You have to keep it in mind. And the question, what is the difference between redo and undo? This is also very important question. Every time I am telling you this. The small picture presenting a program is an icon. Then see 25th, in MS Word, which is the shortcut key combination to center align a paragraph, that is Control plus E. A computer works on the IPO cycle. A. What is the shortcut key for checking spellings in MS Word? That is F5. Okay. Which of the following is the default tab alignment in MS Word? Left. All chips in a computer are made up of silicon. C. And which combination of keys are used to undo the last action while working in window environment? Just now I have told you in the question number, I think 23rd, that for undo, control plus Z it used. Okay. So I think that you have commented me the answer of 9th one. Full form of email is electronic mail. Understood? So till here we have done our work. Cyber quiz also we have completed today, and as well as revision also we have done. So now what you have to do, you have to complete your work as well as you have to prepare well for your exam. Okay. All the best.